It is very important simply because Christians, we take things, I don't know whether it's just only Christians, but let me just talk of my community. We should try to ease up a little bit and stop acting too much of holy thou. Okay? Too much acting of holy thou. And thinking that you're holier than even Jesus Christ himself. You're not. So let's soften our heart a little bit and stop doing it and be calming down. Be calming down. You're not holier than Jesus Christ. Be calming down. So it's important for us to show joy, feel joy, have an atmosphere full of joy and laughter in building a vibrant Christian community. We're often too judging. This woman laughs like this. This woman, like, what's this? This is your no. There is time for everything. So says the Lord. Time for everything. Have a little bit of that or more of that. Okay? And share your personal testimonies and stories from the congregation where laughter brought healing and reconciliation.